It is Sunday morning, October 26, 2025. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. I need to get up and get going this morning. I really want to watch this members thing of Daryl's, but I'm going to put it on Let It Play, but I ain't going to go back and watch it. But we got 5 days until our first ever trunk or treat. We got 6 days until our first ever appreciation day. Looks like it's coming around pretty good. Here's what I got on the agenda today. I already been called in this morning. It is 10 minutes to 9, so I'm running really behind from my normal. About 4:50 this morning, I got a phone call, and a car crashed out there and hit a pole, broke a pole, and the line's down where the train hit it. So I had to go out there and investigate. So I had to do that, and I got back, and I've got everything. I tried to lay down, but once I get woke up in the morning, and that thing, big round thing in the sun, and the sky comes out, I can't seem to go back to sleep. So I laid there for about 30 minutes, tried to toss and turn, but I couldn't do it. So I just said, heck with it, I'm gonna get up and get this day going. So anyway, I put it up here, I'm gonna hook up trailer and go get the wood. But, like I told y'all, that trailer I just got, it's a dang nice trailer. It pulled good, it's probably a 20-ton trailer. So the little bit of wood I'm gonna get is really not gonna affect anything. So I'm just gonna use it. It's hooked to Randy's truck. I don't have to go hook to the other trailer and check all the tires. I walked around it just a minute ago, and all the tires still holding air, So I'm just gonna shoot to the house and load that trailer up with some of the wood I need, and see how it does. I mean, like I said, it's probably a 20-ton trailer, so I don't think that the little bit of wood's gonna put any pressure on them tires. So I'm just gonna take that trailer and go see how it does. It pulled good, maybe a little bit of weight on the trailer is tell me what it's gonna do coming back. And then after I hook up the trailer to go get the wood, I'm going to go get the wood. I don't know why I did that, but then get back. Hopefully Randy will be about ready to come on here, and we're gonna do the breakfast live. I didn't put it in here, but somewhere in there, I guess on the way back, I'll stop and get some food so we can cook. We need to finish cleaning the shop. We made a big difference yesterday. It really looks a lot better. I'm gonna back the tractor out, clean up that mess over there, and blow everything out. So it's starting to come around, look good. And start on the bathroom. So I bought 2 little cut-offs. I'm gonna take those cut-offs and put it on one bathroom. Turn the water off, put it on one bathroom, then turn the water back on so I can cut that one off, and then I'm just gonna take everything out of it. Go ahead and get one totally tore out, and then when I get the wood here, I can start it. Sometime in here somewhere, they're gonna call me about the power line, and once that power pole's put back in the ground, I'm gonna have to shoot over there and look, make sure that they did their job and verify it. Then I got to call Jacksonville and have it cleared. Right now, I got a section of the track where the trains can't run. So once they get their job done, I'll go back and test it out. I mean, not test it, but look at it, verify it, and get that back. So that's going to take up a little bit of time, but I don't have to work, just drive over and back. And so of course, 6 p.m. live in the video. Like I said, Randy's supposed to be coming. I don't, Madison's going to bring him. They may be going to Grandma's tonight, I don't know. But anyway, whenever they get up and coming on this way, maybe I'll be back with the wood by then. So remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. Be happy, be safe, make yourself happy, and I can't tell y'all thank you enough. The last couple of days have really got me back on fire of getting my attitude back straight, and it's getting close to this, and a couple of things are coming in check and starting to fall in place. So it's feeling good. I'm having a good time and enjoying myself. So y'all get out there and enjoy yourself. And if any of y'all are ever close by the shop, or you're watching this and you want to come by and check out and talk and meet and greet, whatever, y'all welcome. Come on in and just say hi. It'd be fine. So anyway, y'all have a good day, good night, whenever you're watching this, and remember, keep it silly. Thank you. Okay, everybody. Another successful trip. I did not put any of I did not film any of the things, so I apologize. But looky here. The first load of wood on the trailer pulled good, everything happened. And guess what? While I was looking through my wood, I forgot that when Randy bought the other trailer, we bought extra wood for his trailer. So we got just about enough wood to floor this trailer. So this project may have taken off a little bit faster than I anticipated. So y'all, I tell y'all what, y'all hang around for some good old times here at Never Done Projects. We're shaking hands, hugging babies, and getting stuff done. Thank y'all.